And okay, welcome back again with me Puni, and today I'm gonna show you a song from Coldplay with The Scientist. And in this tutorial I use an easy busy chords, okay, and I use the C chord as the root. And if you want to play the song originally, you can use your capo at the 5th fret on your guitar, okay. So easy, and let's get started. At the very first, I wanna tell you a pattern of the strumming. So the strumming is so easy, like this. Okay, it's just down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you get to repeat and repeat, okay, like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, the strumming is pretty simple and we have to jump to the song, okay? And disclaimer first, to avoid copyright claims in this song. So I just sing at the early of the lyrics, and I hope you can understand it, okay?